Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Andre and you're on Unboxing for All. Yes, it's the number 4. It's not a mistake. Today I have a new box with something that I wanted to have for a long time now. So today I'm proud to unbox for you the Garmin Vivoactiv4. Yes, it is the latest from the Vivoactiv series. It was released at the end of 2019. First, I want to say that they made a really nice box. We can see the battery lasts up to 8 days, the watch size is 45 millimeters, it is water resistant so you can swim with it. In GPS or music mode the battery lasts up to 6 hours and the bandwidth is 22 millimeters. So let me take my ruler and open it up. In this case, the ruler doesn't help. Like I said, they made a really nice job with the box. They even had a padding here to protect the screen. And of course you can see directly the watch. Let me take it out from the foam. Feels really light in the hand. In the box we have also the charging cable and of course something to read. Okay, I have read them all. The back is made of plastic and I don't see this as a downside because the feeling of cold metal on my wrist is not comfortable, especially in winter. Let's see how it looks on my wrist. I have measured the circumference of my wrist and it is 16.2 centimeters. The band has also a nice touch, and because there are a lot of holes really near one another, you can adjust it really good. So that was it for today, a short one. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe so you can get all my new updates.